Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out your activity on Splitwise, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at the 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then click on the activity button down below, which is the fourth option. Here you can see your recent activity, such as you deleted an expense in a particular group, or you commented, you added a group. So if you want to check out a particular activity in more details, click on it and you will be able to check out all of the relevant information. Here you can see it, all of the details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.